Hi friends, welcome to Learn for Fun. I'm your host Sylvia. What's up guys? First of all, I'm really sorry for not uploading videos for a long time, but I'm back with another fun video. Today I'm going to be making the super yummy, super easy and super quick French toast bites. Who doesn't love French toast, huh? And I'm gonna make this in bite-sized pieces so that even kids can enjoy it. So let's get started. For this, take a flat bowl. We need to take a flat bowl so that it's easier for us to dip the bread. So in the bowl, crack open 2 eggs, give them a whisk, and to it add 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or a little less as per your choice, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Give it a nice whisk and set it aside. Now let's take a pan and heat it up. Add a little bit of butter. If you don't have butter, you can also add oil or clarified butter, which is ghee. Once the butter is warm and nice, let's cut the bread into bite-sized pieces, dip it in the batter, and add it to the pan. Repeat this for the remaining bread pieces. Cook it till you get a nice golden brown color, like so. Flip it and cook it from the other side as well. This looks ready, so now let's transfer it into the plate. Garnish it with powdered sugar and serve it with maple syrup and fruits, and your pancake bites are ready. So I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out. Do leave in your comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.